What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, after I think about 6 months, finally get to see the E30s. So we're gonna head over there now. We even got some parts from Race German that we need to drop off so he can install these as well. After about 6 months, we finally get to see the E30. It's not done yet. The guy's still working on it. But he said, why don't you come down, take a look at it, see what I've done so far. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to do and so on. So today, I wasn't doing anything else. And now we're just going to see the E30. So hopefully I get to show you guys how the car looks because you guys haven't seen it in a very long time. I've gotten updates via text a few times, but nothing too crazy. Here you go. Thank you. Before we do anything else, I had to get my coffee because it's way too early in the morning for me. And now we can head over. So just got here with the E30 and it looks like most of the panels are already welded up to the body. So you can see here that they got some pinch welds completed. This is the entire new rocker panel. And then even underneath this, there was some rust on the panel inside the inside rocker, but it looks like they got that fixed as well. Not sure if you can see that, but we got new jack points for the rears right here. That's what was in the bag from Race German. And then we also got all this welded up, as well as the new jack points in the front right here. So this is the passenger side. Even that little hole right here was covered up, as you can see. And then going over to the other side, it's kind of the same process. So we got the rockers. Everything else on this side is a lot more cleaned up. This side is fully welded. And now it's just a matter of doing the floorboard, the floor pan, which is already cut out as well. So this can be moved up and down. And then again, on this side, they did the inside rocker. And then I do need new fenders because all of this is rusted out. But overall, the car is completely torn apart, sitting on the jacks. But so unfortunately I completely forgot, and I didn't even realize until I got home yesterday that I didn't check on the battery box. That was one of the other few locations that needed rust repair done as well, so I just completely walked past it. It completely slipped my mind for some reason, but luckily the rocker panels are good to go. There is some other work that needs to get done on the rockers, and I let him know of that as well. But I also reminded him, hey, you need to address the rear battery box, and he said he forgot as well. So I'm glad that I reminded him, but just want to give you guys that update because we didn't address that in the video. I also didn't record too much. Yeah, just wanted to point that out for you guys in the video. Now, back to the video. It's looking pretty good. But yeah, overall, the car's looking good. It's pretty much close to done now at this point. He said he's gonna finish around Saturday. I didn't want to put the camera in his face and he was standing right behind me, so I didn't want to bother him too much. But the car overall, all the rockers are done. The inside rockers, which was kind of the hectic part, I'll put a picture up right here of how the inside of the rockers look like. The inner sheet metal of the rocker panel. And then so they had to fix that first before they put the new rockers on. And I did ask him to put a layer of primer around the entire car, not around the entire car, but all the parts that he worked on, just so it doesn't rust up again while we're waiting for body work and paint work to happen in the future. My estimate is 2 weeks and the E30 should be home. It's funny because this is a shop that the car is now at. That's the shop it's currently at. This is the shop it was at right before this. And then if you go around this little complex, and when you drive outside the complex, there's a Caliber Collision, the second shop that the car came to. The car has been traveling around a lot. Anyone looking for a new potential donk build? This thing is so rusty, it's not even funny. Just got home, and with the E30 coming back, the wife is gonna get booted out the garage. She's gonna be so upset about that. She's been enjoying the garage a little bit too much. But we need to bring the E30 back in here. We also got some new mods for the charger here. So we got some 5-inch exhaust tips. These things are gonna look amazing on the back of the charger. And then we also got a few other things that aren't here yet, should be arriving soon. So the next 2 weeks we got charger modifications coming up, and it's really gonna, I think 3 weeks actually. So the Charge is gonna get some love before springtime, before car season starts, so we can actually take this thing out, and then hopefully we get the wheels on by then too. But I know it was a short video, but I'm glad we got an update on the E30. I was able to show you guys some of the work that was being done. I did talk to him off camera to make sure that everything was gonna be situated, including the rear battery box, the jack pads, and so on and so forth. So hopefully that car is home soon, then we'll continue working on the E30. That car has a lot of work that needs done to it, and then we also have some parts sitting around in the garage that need to be installed as well. So once that car is back, we'll be seeing a lot more E30 content, but for now, we got some stuff lined up for the Charger. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.